दिव्य उत्प्रेक्षा अलंकार के द्वारा यह वर्णन करना प्रारंभ किया। कृष्ण के मधुर वेणुनाद से अचेतन जलमयी नदियों भी कैसे कैसे
So yesterday we were hearing about even live about words and animals because they are conscious, but these achetan, the unconscious, rivers, trees, how much kinds of love they have in their hearts. Even there is not possible of any kinds of love in the river, but still these Braj Deviyas, according to their Mahabharata, they are expressing their feelings. And they are not discriminating about Achetan and Chetan, in consciousness and unconsciousness. The Uttam Adhikari Bhakt, how much they have love and affection for their Ishtadev. So this is the stage of Mahabharata.
महाभागवत की ऐसी उत्तम उत्तम महाभागवत
There are three kinds of Mahabharata. Just like there is no qualities in him. And the third one is Murchit Kasai. When Narad Rishi, he got the birth in the form of Dasiputra, and Narad Rishi himself, he told the history of his life to Vyasdev. So that's why in that context in the Srimad Bhagavatam, Narad said himself, by the mercy of the saintly persons, I got the eagerness of taking Bhagavad Darshan, and I prayed to Bhagwan, and at least Vaikuntadipati Narayan. So they have given me darshan just like a light for a second only. Then I got the consciousness, then I got the knowledge, the transcendental knowledge. Then I prayed to Bhagwan, Hey Prabhu, please give me your, give the darshan of your transcendental form. Then there was an aerial sound came, Hey Narad, whatever the Swarup your darshan, took the darshan of mine, it is not possible for anybody. When you will give up your this Panchbhautik Sharir, this elemented body, and when you establish in your I'm really sorry, please check. It's now, it's okay. Hare Krishna, it's okay. Hare Krishna, please check. It's okay now. It must be okay. So Sattvic was is also a Kasai. Vanastu Sattviko Vasa. In the isolated place in the forest, you should always remember the Bhagwan. This is called Kasai. This is all called Kasai. That's why Narad Rishi was Uttam Mahabhagavat is still Murchit Kasai. He is taken in Murchit Kasai because in the general form he has to stay in the Sattvic Bhav. This is called Kasai.
भगवत भक्ति की कैसे
कसाय।
समस्त प्रकार की जो है माया की जो क्रिया को त्याग दे करके शुद्ध सत्य में प्रतिष्ठित
When someone give up all kinds of materials qualities and took the sattvic bhav, that is called kasai.
वो भी उत्तम है।
So this is the quality of Uttam Bhagavad. That's why Narada Rishi Murchit Kasai. That's why Narada Rishi was in the category of Murchit Kasai.
मैं अकेला जो शक्ति भाग से वन में ये भी
So the Kasai means that he was stayed lonely in the forest. That is Kasai. So bhakti is beyond the Sattva, Raj and Tamas. Hari Nirguna Sakshat Purusha Purakati Paran.
ये समस्त विचार की बात है। इसलिए यहाँ पर लिखा है, जो उत्तम महाभागवत जी है, तीन प्रकार की उत्तम
There are three kinds of Uttam Mahabhagavad.
उत्तम महाभागवत की वैशिष्ट है।
What is the Vaisishtya, the speciality of these three kinds of Mahabhagavad?
महाभागवत देखे सावर जंगम कहाँ कहाँ है तार कृष्ण स्फुरन सागर सावर जंगम देखे तार मुक्ति सर्वत्र है तार इष्ट देवी मूर्ति उत्तम उत्तम जो महाभागवत
So who are the Uttam Mahabhagavad? They never take the darshan of sthul vastu, sthul things, the gross things.
दृष्टि हो
The sight,
भगवत यानी अपने इष्ट
so
स्फूर्ति होती
wherever they get the spurti of their Ishtadev.
है। कहते हैं सावर जंगम देखे ना देखे तार मूर्ति यानी वो मूर्ति यानी स्थूल वस्तु के लिए क्या है
They never take the darshan of gross things like she is lady, she is gents. Everywhere they get the darshan of their Ishtadev.
वन में भी ब्रह्म ही वृंदावन जहाँ नदी देखे माने माने कालीन
So wherever they take any forest, so they call this is Vrindavan. Wherever they see any river, they see, oh, it is Yamuna.
नदियों के देखा जगन्नाथ की स्थिति इसलिए नंदनंदन कृष्ण
That's why Nandanandan Krishna,
जब जमुना अथवा मनुष्य गंगा के सब समुद्र में उसी होकर उनकी
so while roaming in the charming Vrindavan forest, Nandanandan Shri Krishna arrives at the bank of the Yamuna or Manasi Ganga, where he hears the sweet murmur of water,
यानी कोकिल की
sees the beautiful lotus flowers floating on the high waves, hears the sounds of the cuckoo birds on the river's bank, and it is presently touched by a gentle, fragrant breeze.
मधुर कान छोड़ देते हैं इसमें से उद्दीपन करें
So this is called all Uddipan. When Shri Krishna used to play the flute,
क्यों बोलते हैं ये सब उद्दीपन आदि है
so this kinds of all stimulation happening in his body.
और कमलों के फूलों की सुगंध
Beautiful fragrance of the lotus flower, koel's sounds cuckoo,
मृदुमंद
and the little bit pleasant, beautiful hava, the fragrant breeze are flowing. Just like our Bhaktivinoda Thakur is describing,
राधा कुंद तट
Radha Kund Tata, Kunja Kutira, Govardhana Parvata.
ये समस्त उद्दीपन विभाग का है
So this is all called Uddipan Vibhag.
ये सब उद्दीपन लीलाओं की उद्दीपन का
So when the leelas are stimulated in your heart, so this is called Uddipan.
ये विशेषता
So this is the speciality in staying Vrindavan.
ये उद्दीपन स्वतःस्फूर्त रूप में
So these kinds of Uddipan happen spontaneously.
वृंदावन करने से
Here,
वृंदावन समझना है
if we are talking about the Vrindavan, so we should understand Brihad Vrindavan. One is Panchkosi Vrindavan and another is Brihad Vrindavan. From Radha Kund to Nandagaon, that all call Brihad Vrindavan.
वृंदावन में कहीं नहीं रहते
Wherever you stay in Vrindavan,
और ये समस्त जो है उद्दीपन है।
these all kinds of leela stimulated or spurti in your heart, stimulated. Whenever you see the any mountain,
ऐसे कोई स्थान नहीं है
there is no place in
जहाँ
Vrindavan
पर जैसे उद्दीपन है।
where you cannot get any kinds of stimulation in your heart.
यहाँ पर वृक्ष
Even
आदि
that
से लेकर के
tree
लता, वृक्ष,
and
आदि
everything,
सब, शुद्ध सप्तमी ही
all are staying in the Shuddha Sattva.
जब विभागनी शक्ति सर्व स्मृति रहेगी
So Aladini Shakti Srimati Radhika
मूर्ति से
herself, they all are the form of Aladini Shakti Srimati Radhika.
दृष्टि से
So according to the drishti of Mahabhagavad, they take this all kinds of darshan.
ये साधारण वृक्ष नहीं
So these all are not the ordinary trees. As our Raghunath Das Goswami used to say,
सर्वानंद मुकुंद दैत्यं लीलानुकूलं परं शास्त्रीय वस्तुतः कृष्ण जानत्या ब्रह्मादि सस्त्रीयेन मधुरिता वन्दति। पशु पक्षी से लेकर के
even from the animals and the trees, and who are all the living entities staying here in Vrindavan,
सभी के
these all are
मानो चित संपन्न
they all are Chid Sampanna, means
आनंदमय धाम सब
they all are such Chidananda, means transcendental.
क्योंकि उत्तम भाग बस
Because Uttam Bhagavad, they never take the gross darshan. In the same way, Krishna,
ये समस्त
after taking all kinds of the darshan,
वृंदावन में जब विचरण करते
when he was visiting in the Manoram Vrindavan,
सुंदर रूप दर्शन
and when he was taking the darshan of beautiful Yamuna and the cuckoos, so this kinds of stimulations manifested in their heart.
नदियों का प्रवाह त्वरित हो जाता है।
In the Srimad Bhagavatam, this is described.
कृष्ण
Krishna,
जब गोपियों के साथ
when with the gopis,
व्यवहार करने के लिए
he was
उनके
playing,
मन में जब इच्छा
when he desired to play with the gopis, so
है, बाहर है और देखा सुंदर चंद्रमा को दर्शन है, इसके वर्णन किया।
so when he came out from the home, so he saw the beautiful moon.
रमाननाभम नवकुंकुमम कितनी सुंदर।
So this is a very beautiful shlok. I don't know which one.
कृष्ण के हृदय में कितनी उद्दीपन है। इस बात में
In the Krishna's heart, these kinds of stimulations happen.
चंद्रमा के जो
Seeing that moon,
है दर्शन करके गोपियों की मुखमंडल की उनकी उद्दीपना है।
so he got the remembrance of Gopi's beautiful
और
face.
देखो, चंद्रमा की जो प्रथम जो किरण है,
So the first rays of moon, which is red,
के द्वारा
by that,
वो दिशा क्या हो गया, कुमकुम रंग के द्वारा
so
मानो
the east side becomes like reddish, just like a kumkum.
है। पहले तो गोपियों की मुखमंडल की उद्दीपना है।
First they remember the beautiful face of
कौन सा
gopis.
समय आता है?
Huh?
पद्मिनी नारी के श्रेणी में,
So gopis are in the category of Padmini.
पद्मिनी श्रेणी में है। सही दिन मैंने थोड़ा मनोरंजन
I told you a little bit about that.
है।
How many kinds of category? The topmost is Padmini. 4 है शायद. There are 4 kinds of category.
पद्मिनी,
Padmini, Hastini,
चित्रिणी,
Chitrani,
हस्तिनी
Hastini,
और
Padmini, Chitrani, Hastini, and
है।
Padmini, Chitrani, Hastini, Padmini, Hastini, Chitrani नहीं. सब भूल जाते हो, सब भूल जाते हो.
है। सुना कुछ ही, है। ये तो अपने है। संखी,
संख्य ने.
संखी,
Anybody knows Padmini,
पद्मिनी, चित्रिणी,
Chitrani, Sankhini, Hastini?
पुरुषों में से
Done? So there are 4 kinds of Purush. So if you read that, if you hear that, there is no use of it, because you will get the material feelings.
इसलिए गोपियों की
That's why. So what is my mean to say? Whatever we have to take, we should always take that. So if you talk about, then all becomes material. So you will think about that, who am I in this category? Even you are not in any category, but still you will think, oh, I am in this category and that category. That's why we haven't taken this kinds of vichar. So we have to take according to the scriptures only, which is mentioned there. So gopis are called there in the category of Padmini. So Padmini, like, because their bodies are fragrant like lotus. I gave you the definition of Shama. Shama Prakirtita. Did you fragrance comes out from your mouth? If you didn't paste toothbrush one day, so there is a bad smell come from your mouth. So that's why we are not get maybe we cannot get the material views. That's why we should always avoid this. So the ladies, gopis, are called the Padmini, in the category of Padmini. Now, so hearing that beautiful sounds of the Murli, the overwhelmed with the immense elation, he plays with the sweet melody of his Murli. Upon hearing it, the river stops flowing, and on the still water of Krishna, Gopi. So gradually the water of the rivers rises to the height of Shri Krishna's chest. So here it is saying that hearing the Yamuna and Mansi Ganga, all kinds of rivers, they are all stunned. They stop flowing. So we should always keep our mind that everything is in Vrindavan, it's all our nothing is unconscious, unchetan. And there is nothing like hatred like giving up. There is nothing like hatred. Everything is transcendental. That's why, being all the things transcendental, all the things have so much love and affection towards Krishna. That's why it is saying. So look at the position of Jamuna or Manasi Ganga. So the water is flowing from the upside, but so the water of Ganga and Mansi Ganga and Yamuna, it's coming up from the upside, but it's not going from the downside. It's stopped. Hearing the sounds of the Venu, it's stopped. It stopped flowing. So there is a whirlpool is coming there. Because so hearing the beautiful sounds of Govind and taking a darshan of Govind in this world, who is the one who can go? First, the Govind Rupa Madhurya is very undescribable. Seeing that kinds of form in this world, who can close his eyes? It is not possible. No one can go here and there after taking a darshan. Our Bhaktivinoda Thakur is doing the kirtan. Bandhu sange yadi tave rang parihar. So beautiful form of seeing the beautiful form of Govind. Aha. Anarthirimura. Govind has a beautiful form. So seeing that form, everybody is attracted towards him. Are they not attracted only? What kind of magic he has? what kinds of hypnotism arrow he has. So why that he attracted everybody.
सबको मोहित कर दिया।
He attracted everybody.
उनके शरीर बिल्कुल कैसे हो जाता
His body, their body becomes stunned, just like the 4 arrows of Kamdev.
सबको मोहित करते रहता
He attracted
है।
everybody,
वही कामदेव
and the
मूल
same
कामदेव
Kamdev,
कौन है? कृष्ण जी का।
the Mool Kamdev is the origin Kamdev is Krishna. So this is all described very nicely in the scriptures.
है? उन्हीं वही दानव बद्धे जो काम है। तो इसी प्रकार भी वर्णन
So
किया
in this way, this is all described very nicely.
ये नदियों की दशा दिखाई।
That this is a state of
भले
Nadi.
नदी में हो अथवा नहीं हो, किंतु महाभागवती गोपियां एक दूसरे की कहने लगी देखो।
So the Mahabharati gopis are saying they are talking to each other that this river is achetan, unconscious. Gopis are saying like this.
सोची चेतन आदि
The animals are conscious being because they have lives. But look at the state of Nadi,
और नदी में
the rivers.
आगे नदी की जल
So rivers are not flowing ahead, moving ahead. Just for taking a darshan of Govind, they have stopped, and a whirlpool is coming there.
मन के हम केवल पैर के दर नहीं कर सकते।
We cannot
करने
move.
के लिए क्या चाहिए?
We cannot move by the walk or by the feet only. We should
साधारण नियम
we should need our heart also.
मन यदि हमारी इंद्रिय के साथ
If our mind is connected with our senses, then all our senses will work.
केवल आंखों के द्वारा हम दर्शन नहीं कर
So by the eyes only we cannot take darshan.
सकते। आंखों के साथ
But if mind is connect with the eyes, then we can take the
तो हम
darshan.
आंखों के द्वारा
So this is the view. This is the vichar.
ये मन ही जो है वास्तव कहा जाता है, ये हमारी सारी इंद्रियों की जो है
So
संचालन करता है।
man is called that who always sanchalan, like
ये जो कहते हैं गोपियों की मन ये गोपियां
all the senses work according to the mind. So that's why these gopiyas are blaming to rivers.
उनकी तो गोविंद के दर्शन करके
So seeing the darshan of Govind, take the darshan of Govind, their heart is stunned, their mind is stunned. That's why
नदी की जलधारा जो है
the flow of water is not moving, and especially after taking a darshan of Govind, someone can go, someone can move from there. It is not possible. So gopis are saying in this way, when Krishna is playing the Venu Murli,
के सारा हाथ परिहास कर
and Krishna was laughing, joking with the gopis. Oh gopis, go to your home, do your work.
जिस वन दर्शन करने के लिए आए हैं
So
वन दर्शन हो गया।
if you are here to come taking the darshan of forest, so you should take the darshan and go.
भाग्य के सागर है। फिर कृष्ण उनके साथ अनेक प्रकार के
What a-
परिहास आदि करते हैं। और इस कथा सुन करके गोपी
So hearing this katha, gopis feel so much sorrow in their heart. Like they are saying, first you call up by playing the sound of flute, and now you are saying you should go your home. So this is the quality, this is the sounds of Venu. That's why Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying,
मुरली डाकी रे
Radhe Radhe boli, murdi डाकी वे, पता नहीं आगे क्या है.
ये मुरली व ध्वनि आदि क्या करते हैं?
This Murli or Venu, what it does?
उनके नाम लेकर के बुलाते
So Venu is calling one and every gopi by their name.
हैं। बिना प्रसाद खाए तो बोले किस लिए आए? ये कोई बात है?
क्या बोला?
आपने हमें बुलाया,
You have invited us, and okay. Let's suppose that somebody called me or somebody invited me and I went to his house, and after when I went to his house, he said, Maharaj, what is the reason to come? Why have you come here? So
आपने बताया,
so
आपने बोले महाराज
first you told me that Maharaj, please come and take the prasad in my home. When I went to your home, so you said, oh Maharaj, why are you here? Why have you come here?
ये कितने दुख की बात
This is very painful thing, very shameless thing.
है? जैसे सोच रहे हम भिखारी हैं, हम
Just they are thinking that we are the beggar, we are beggar, we want to food.
गोपियां उसी प्रकार
So in this way, gopis are in the man abhiman.
और हृदय में इतने दुख
So they have so much pain in their heart.
है, वो ठीक है।
Gopis are okay. no problem.
हम चले जाते
We will go.
एक बात
But
कहो,
tell us
भैया,
one thing.
कृष्ण ये बताओ
Krishna, tell us one thing. Padam na chariti tad padamulam. Padam na chariti tad padamulam. Hey Krishna, how we can go away after leaving your feet? So they were saying we haven't come here by just feet. We have come by our heart. But now you have stolen our heart. So how we can go? पादम न चलती तब पाद मूला.
कैसे चल रही है आप बताओ मन के हमारी धन जो है महारत्न जो धन जो है मन को तो वापस
So you have stolen our heart. When you will give it back to us, then we will move from here. So that's why gopis are saying like this to Krishna. They are laughing, joking with Krishna. So they are expressing, they are transferring their bhav each other. So in this way, gopis also are saying, look at the stage of this nadi. After taking a darshan of Govind or hearing the sounds of Govind's Venu, this Yamuna's water is stopped flowing. It's not moving ahead. The water is coming from the upside, and if one go outside, downside. So what happens? So the whirlpool comes there in the water. So this gopis is describing. So gradually the water of the river rises to the height of the Krishna's chest when the water level increases, and when it was increasing, so it reached to the chest of Govind. So the repeated crashing of the waves causes the lotus flowers to break from their stems and present themselves at Krishna's lotus feet. So how we can give the present to Govind? And look at this Yamuna, what she is doing. So that Yamuna is offering the lotus to Krishna. So the repeated crashing of waves causes the lotus flower to break from their stems and present themselves at Krishna's lotus feet. There is also a special thing here. Rasa Shastra, according to the Rasa Shastra, so ladies have so much man, Purag, Gopis Purag described. But also this Purag is also written about Krishna, because according to Ras Tattva, if somebody one got man, so the another one he doesn't got man or what, so he have the Dakshina bhav. Dakshina bhav means polite. There is little bit of Dakshina bhav. If one is having Banya bhav, so another one keeps Dakshina bhav. So most of the cases or most of the quantity, ladies have this kinds of Bamya bhav. Because gents have little bit restlessness, and ladies are very grave. They have the feelings, grave feelings, just like Satidhan. Satidhan means just like a dhan, just like a grain. Once you plow that, the seed of that grain, कितने दिन में? So within 60 days that will be ripe. And after 60 days, what happened? Even 61 days, that all the grains will fall down. That is called Satadhan.
बिल्कुल आपको बिल्कुल गिन करके रहना पड़ता है।
So that's why you have to count the days.
बिल्कुल 60 दिन
60 days means 60 days. What?
उसी दिन उस धान को जो आपको कैसे से काट करके
So when the 60 days over, so you have to cut all the grains, otherwise you won't get even a single amount. All the grains will be, all the livers will be waste.
यानी वो धान कैसे होता है?
So that kind of grain is, this is very astonished
वो
thing.
धान जो है पत्तों के द्वारा अधिक रूप में वो लपेट रहा है।
That grain is covered by the leaves.
थोड़ा सा शीश जो है इतना दिखाई
A little bit head you can see, and all the portion
के द्वारा
is covered by the leaves.
लपेट रहा है। किंतु जो पवित्र जो कृषक जो है
But the Krishna, the farmers who is experienced,
करके
so he always counted the 60 days, and at that time he used to cut that grains.
तात्पर्य क्या है?
So what is the meaning here actually?
ये उदाहरण इसलिए दिया गया है
This is example is given here because Gopi's heart,
प्रेम
in the Gopi's heart, Krishna, they have love for Govind too much, which is called the Bhamya Bhav.
ऐसे समेट करके रखते हैं प्रेम को समेट करके रखते
They used to keep their feelings in their heart. They never show anybody. In a hidden way they used to keep.
हैं। और पुरुषों में क्या होता है?
And the
चंचलता प्रकार
and the gents have so much restlessness in their mind, but ladies have so much grave in their heart, graveness.
की चंचलता होने के नाते
So being the gents so much restless,
तो ये प्रेम जो है कभी-कभी जो है
this kinds of love
फील हो जाता
sometimes become
है, ह्रास हो जाता
decreases.
है। ये समस्त नाट्य शास्त्र में
So this is all described in the Natya Shastra.
किंतु कृष्ण के लिए
But-
यह पद है
But for Krishna, here it is saying,
ऐसे
when gopis, they were expressing these kinds of feelings, these kinds of bhav,
कृष्ण
and Krishna,
थोड़ा बहुत वाम भाव प्रकाश करने
so he expresses the Krishna, he expresses a little bit Bhamya Bhav here.
नायक जब
When
नायिका जब वाम भाव प्रकाश करती
when the Naika is expressing the Bhamya Bhav, so Nayak performs Dakshina Bhav, and when Nayak expresses Dakshina Bhav, when Nayak presents his Vamya Bhav, at that time Naika presents it Dakshina Bhav.
में जो है वाम भाव में
But Naikas always keep themselves in the most of the time in Bhamya Bhav, and the Nayak
वाम भाव जो है बहुत कम है।
and the Nayak have little bit Bhamya Bhav in their hearts. But here it is saying that here for the Krishna, it is speciality showing of Krishna here. And Krishna is showing here Bhamya Bhav here. Krishna is showing the Bhamya Bhav here.
उथल-पुथल मच रहे
His heart is full restless.
मतलब सब कहते हैं
How I can meet with gopis, but externally he is showing the Bhamya Bhav here.
क्यों?
Why?
ये भी एक रहस्य इसमें
This is a mystery here also.
हमारे आचार्य के पास
Our Acharya Pad used to say,
ये कृष्ण विचार करने में
Krishna was thinking,
ये वास्तव में वास्तव में
at the time of Gopi stealing the cloths of gopis, I have taken the darshan of their all bhav, but I haven't took the darshan of their internal feelings. That's why I would like to take the darshan of gopis internal feelings. That's why taking the darshan of this internal feeling, Krishna, he's expressing little bit Vamya Bhav.
तो इसलिए कृष्ण मानो
That's why Krishna,
वो गोपियों की तरफ नहीं देखते
he is not seeing to the gopis and he is seeing other side.
दासीनता
He is expressing little bit udasinta, udasinta, sad nature. Sad.
दासीन और हमेशा चित्र मतलब है
Udasin means I don't have any relationship with you. I don't know you. Who are you? This kinds of udasinta they are expressing.
क्यों दासीनता
This is called udasin. Udasin matlab who is free from attachment. Asakti si rahit. Udasin Baba. Krishna is presenting here Udasin Baba.
कृष्ण
So in the same way, Krishna, internally he wants to meet with the gopis, so much eager inside, but Externally he is presenting little bit udasinta. It means detachment.
जिससे गोपी की साथ
So because of that, gopis, because why they are doing this? Because he would like to increase the eagerness of gopis.
नहीं जाए, आगे प्रभावित नहीं हो रही।
So seeing the darshan of Govind,
प्रकाश करने लगे,
seeing the darshan of Govind, rivers are not flowing, moving ahead.
बढ़ने लगे।
But when Krishna was expressing the Vamyata, so at that time the waters of the
कमल की जो है
water of the rivers is up so much coming to the feet of gopis.
नदी में नदी पड़ नदियों में पड़ रहे कमल को
So upon seeing these whirlpools in the rivers, the gopis are unable to conceal their own bhavas.
क्योंकि भाव ऐसे हो जाता है बढ़ते बढ़ते उसे खत्म कर नहीं पाते। इधर देखे सखी हमारे प्राण कांति धनुध्वनि सुनकर यह नदी
So one says, O Sakhi, hearing our Pranakant flute song, this river is affected by the lust, calm, and has become senseless.
कुंड पुष्पों की भांति कपूरित
His face is all pleasing. It is radiant, fragrant, soft, sweet, and attractive to the heart, like a kunda flower.
कोमल मुखारविंद से उन्मन
This is why he is called Mukunda. With his soft and delicate lotus face, he relishes kissing, the biting of the lips, and the other transcendental mellows of union. When these mellows are relished, all kinds of obligations are cut and due to increase in karma. This is really grave things. Gambhir vichar.
कोई ब्रजदेवियां कहने लगी
Another Vrajdevi is saying, when the rivers see Mukunda's sweet beauty and hear the ascending and descending waves of sound from his Venu,
हृदयों की सुनकर
both of which enchant the whole universe, their heart becomes afflicted with karma.
सबकी क्या करनी
So this is the sounds of dhoni, sounds of Venu. It presented the vikar in everybody's heart. In the material world, we used to present the word calm, but in that transcendental word, that is aprakrit calm. In
प्रेम ही जो है वास्तव में शुद्ध
calm hai. So in the transcendental word, love is called pure calm, and in this word there is no love and no calm. If we talk about,
है, उसी की कहा जाता है एक प्रकार का क्या पशु श्रृंगार कहा जाता है।
in this word there is nothing is like calm or nothing is like love, but in the transcendental word, love is called the transcendental calm, the aprakritic love, aprakritic calm. This is in this word what is happening. This is called pashu shringar, the animals makeup. Just because of the sense gratification, they are doing all these things. It is really hard to understand to you. I am really unable to hear the sounds of Gurudev because there is too much sound is coming from the downsides. So whatever happening here, this is called the pashu shringar, means the makeup of the animals. It is actually not fact. Means all the activities like animal. In the transcendental world, the love is called aprakrit calm.
कम धातु से कम शब्द से प्रेम का
So kam meaning of kam word is love, prem. Kam dhatu means prem.
ऐसी जो जहाँ पर किसी प्रकार के विकार नहीं है।
So in the transcendental world, there is nothing like any kinds of vikar in the heart of gopis, or anybody doesn't have this kinds of bhav, vikar. Hey Bhagwan, it's really hard to understand.
इसलिए बताती जा रही हैं, ये देखो
So Braj Devis are saying,
मुरली के दर्शन और वेणुनाथ के आरोह अनुभवपूर्ण।
so another Braj Devi is saying, when the river sees the Mukund sweet beauty and hear the ascending and descending wave sounds from his Venu, both always enchanted with the whole universe, their hearts become afflicted with calm, which is called transcendental calm. Now they have reversed their flow with the great force, and instead of moving towards their husband, the ocean, they flow towards Krishna.
अनंग रूपी बाहों से मुखारविंद वक्षस्थल अभिनंदन करते।
So their arms are like waves rise up higher and embrace Murli. So the further katha will discuss tomorrow. Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Bol. Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai 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 Shri Radhe Shyam.
निर्दुत कसा है
मूर्छित कसा तीन है ना, भगवत पार्षद देह प्राप्त,
Thirds three.
और फिर कहते हैं
मूर्छित कसाय,
मूर्छित कसाय और
निर्कसा है
निर्धुत कसाय, मूर्छित कसाय। सेकंड जो है निर्धुत कसाय, थर्ड जो है मूर्छित कसाय। ये तीनों ही महाभागवत है। तीनों महाभागवत की उत्तम उत्तम महाभागवत, उत्तम मध्यम, उत्तम कनिष्ठ, ये
same as Vaidhi Bhakti Madhyam. Like in Raganuga Bhakti, like from Madhyam Kanish, Vaidhi Bhakti to Madhyam Kanish, the same.
ये सब जो है दिस टाइप्स ऑफ महाभागवत जैसे परिचय, ये सब महाभागवत they belong to transcendental one. ऐसे Sukdev Goswami, Narad Rishi, because he cannot give another example. That is regard Narad Rishi is two examples. It's a Bhagavad Parshad Deha Prapta, or another example also is Murchita Goswami, because he cannot get the other example. For this regard, they are Nitya Siddha Parikar. They are determined.
So the question is asked here,
क्योंकि जहाँ पर उदाहरण देने के लिए कोई वस्तु नहीं मिलता है, तब ये समझ
the all the Raganuga is in Madhyam Kanishta Uttam? No, actually all the Raganuga Bhakt, they are all the Uddam Madhyam, Uttam Madhyam and Kanish. So Gurudev is saying no, all the Mahabhagavat, they are all the Raganuga Bhakt, they are Mahabhagavat, because they are coming from the transcendental world. So Sukdev Goswami Pad, he is Murchit Kasai. Huh? You note it down. You note it down who is Murchit Kasai, Narad who is God.
उनके जो है ओरिजिन स्वरूप वही है। और बाकी लीला संपादन करने के लिए
Can we end up here?
अनेकों जो धाम में अनेकों लीला आदि में वो संयोग होते हैं, जैसे रामलीला में आ जाए कृष्ण के जितने भी लीला हैं,
Whatever the kinds of Leela Krishnas perform from the Vaikuntha, Ayodhya, Dwarika,
वो लोग वृंदावन में नाम
even Golok Vrindavan.
सर्वत्र विराज।
So Narad Rishi is always established. He is always present everywhere.
जैसे भगवान अनंत रूप धारण कर सकते हैं, उसी प्रकार ये सब परिकर भी अनंत रूप धारण
Because Bhagwan can get so many forms in the same way.
तो भी
In the same way,
क्या
Bhagavad Parsha, they also can get so many forms. They also can get so many vigraha.
धारण करते हैं,
Just like Krishna can get so many forms from Golok Vrindavan to Vaikunt.
इसी को तो अद्वैत ज्ञान पढ़ते
This is called Advait Jnana Partatva.
हैं।
Advait
इसी
Jnana
प्रकार
Partatva.
कृष्ण की व भगवान की लीलाओं के लिए संपादन करने के लिए
For
है, वो भक्त भी
creating the Krishna's Leela, so Bhakt also gets so many forms like Bhagwan.
ये नारद ऋषि
Just like Narad Rishi. He is in the Vaikunt.
है, वैकुंठ में आते हैं।
He used to come into the Vaikunt.
नारद ऋषि रामलीला में,
Narad Rishi also in Ram Leela.
नारद ऋषि
Narad Rishi is also in Dwarka Leela.
नारद ऋषि
Narad Rishi is also in Golok Vrindavan Leela. So he is everywhere.
क्यों
Why?
ना भगवान की माधुर्यता प्रेम माधुर्य की
Because he would like to increase the prem madhurya of Bhagwan, or just for Leela Sampadan, Bhagwan's Leela, for helping Bhagwan's Leela. That's why Parshad also creates so many forms.
इसमें कोई संदेह नहीं
So there is no doubt in it. Okay,
है। इसलिए तो बृहद भागवत
that's why it is mentioned in the Brihad Bhagavatam
ये नारद ऋषि
that Narad Rishi,
जब द्वारका में
when he entered into the Dwarika,
अनंत रूप
so Krishna got so many forms there, and he was staying with all the wives. And he was presented himself at the one time in all the wives. Krishna was Rukmani. Krishna was also with Rukmani. Krishna was also with Satyabhama. So Krishna was everywhere.
नारद ऋषि भी
So Narad Rishi, in the same way,
धारण करके सब
he got so many forms, and he took the darshan of all the Govind's form.
पुरुष होता है।
So that's why it is possible for the Bhakta.
सौगुरी ऋषि के ये ऋषि जो आदि तपस्या के द्वारा करते हैं, उनकी मूल स्वरूप जो करेगा है, बाकी स्वरूप वही काम करेगा। छाया के लिए जैसे हमारे छाया
Just like our shadow,
10 पात्र में पानी रख दो,
if you put water on 10
छाया 10 पात्र में पड़ेगी,
10 pots, so our shadow will reflect on the 10 pots.
तो सारे 10 पात्र में बाएं हाथ दिखाई
So if I raise my left hand, so all the 10 pots will raise their left hand.
भगवान व मुक्त पुरुष में वो क्या रहता है,
So-
एक ही सब में अंतर
Bhagwan and Mukta Purush, they got so many forms at the same time.
ये सौगुरी ऋषि
The Saubri Rishi,
वो तो 50 रूप धारण किया,
he got 50 forms,
मूल रूप जो
but his origin form
है, सारे उनके जो है वो काम करेगा।
instructing.
और मुक्त पुरुष में भगवान में ये विशेषता क्या है, ये जो बाएं हाथ ये जो कर रहे हैं, दाहिने हाथ दूसरी जगह पे दिखाई दे रहा है।
So this is the difference between the Sadhak and the Mukta Purush. So their Leelas are different. Origin Leela is different, and the Bhagwan's partial Leela is different. Yogis are different, Bhaktas are different, the Nitya Parshad are different. This is the speciality in both of them. That's why
आप इसे देख के हैरान हो,
Narashi was shocked to see that Krishna,
एक ही
at the one time, he was presented
समय
with,
और तो लीला भी करते जा रहे हैं।
at the same time he is performing so many Leela. He was with Satyabhama and other gopis, and also he was performing so many Leela. Wow, Jai Ho Krishna ki.
देवियों जो रूप धारण करते हैं, वो उनके मूल एक रूप और 50 के भी कम करते हैं। जैसे जो भी जो है मानो डांड
So if yogi, actually this is the difference between yogi and Nitya Parshad and Bhagwan. If yogi is raising his left hand, so all his expansion, all his forms will raise the left hand. But it is not possible with Bhagwan. From one form he can do anything, and another form he can do another things. So this is the quality of Bhagwan and Nitya Parishad. Okay. चलो गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल. We will discuss tomorrow. बताए गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल. भक्त ग्रंथ की जय.